Good morning students, welcome back to the online class of Bardon Model School. This is your science class now. In our previous class we are solving the question answer from chapter number 1, that is food and feeding habits of animals. So today we will be also doing the same thing, we will be solving the question answer part from the exercise of chapter 1. Okay. So all of you, yes, all of you must be ready with your science copy, because we will write the question answer now. In the previous day we are doing the very short answer question and we have already completed it. So today we will be starting the short answer question. Okay. All of you will open chapter number 1 of your science book. Chapter number 1, what is the chapter number 1? It is, chapter number 1 is your food and feeding habits of animals. This is the name of a chapter. Yes. Okay. I think all of you are there. Yes. Let me know this one. And all of you will open page number 10. All of you will open page number 10 in your science book. Okay. And all of you must be having your school science copy, because question answer part we will write in the science copy, not in the book. Okay. In the previous class we have completed very short answer question, section C. Now today section D, short answer question. So it is short answer question. All of you will write this in your science copy. Short answer question. Okay. First question. Question number 1. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? So let me write the question. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Okay. Now the answer, everybody will write the question as well as the answer in your science copy. Okay, let me write the answer. We need food. We need food to live, grow and we need food to live, grow and stay healthy. One more line you will add here. Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, this is your answer. I think all of you are writing there. Yes. Okay, very good. So I will repeat the question and the answer also. Why do we need food? We are doing the short answer question from the exercise of chapter 1. Okay. Number one, question number one, why do we need food? We need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Full stop. Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next question, we will do the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. How does a frog eat insects? Question number 2 is, how does a frog eat insects? How does a frog eat insects? How does a frog eat insects? Okay. I think all of you have written it. How does a frog eat insects? Okay. Answer. See here, write down the answer. A frog has a long and sticky tongue. A frog has a long and sticky tongue. It catch the insects with its tongue and swallow them whole. Okay. See here, we have completed the answer. Okay. If you have, I think all of you have completed. If you have any problem in seeing, you cut your call and rejoin again. Okay. See here, I will repeat. I think all of you can see the board properly. Okay. See here, how does a frog eat insects? A frog has a long and sticky tongue. Full stop there. It catches the insects with its tongue and swallow them whole. Okay. This is your answer for question number 2. So I will read it once again. Okay. We have done number 1. We have done why do we need food? We need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Number 2. How does a frog eat insects? A frog has a long and sticky tongue. It catches the insects with its tongue and swallow them whole. Okay, this is answer is completed. Now we will be going to the next question. That is question number 3. All of you will look at the book. All of you will follow the book, page number 10. Question number 3, section D, short answer question. Question number 3 of section D. See, look at there. Number 3, Kajal has a pet cat. She feeds it with milk daily before going to school and after returning from school. So, Kajal is a girl, small girl. She has a pet animal. She has a pet animal, cat. She has a cat in her home. Okay, it is her pet animal. She feeds it with milk daily. Actually, she is feeding the cat with milk daily before going to school and after returning from the school. Now the question A, name one animal that laps up liquid food other than cat. Let me tell you that we will do only number A. 3A we will do in the copy, in the board we will do that one, and you will write in the copy. No need of writing question number B because it is a value based question. What moral value you have to have learned from it, actually that's that one. So I will discuss this one. No need of writing number B, only you will write answer A only. Okay, now let me write the question, that is number 3A. Name one animal that laps up. Name one animal that laps up liquid food other than cat. Other than cat. Okay. Now the answer you will write in this way, and an animal that laps up liquid food other than cat is dog. You will underline dog there. Okay, I will repeat that one. We have completed it. I will repeat the question. We have done number 3A. Name one animal that laps up liquid food other than cat. Your answer is an animal that laps up liquid food other than cat is dog. You will underline dog there. And actually you know what is lapping. All of you might be knowing what is lapping. What is lapping? Lapping is the method of taking in liquid food with the help of the tongue, as the cat and the dog is doing. This is a common animal that are doing the lapping. Okay, so the method of taking in liquid with the help of the tongue is lapping. Okay, so we have completed number 3A. Now number B, you will just listen to it. You don't have to write it in your copy. I will just discuss it orally. Okay, which value, number B, question number B, 3B. All of you can follow the book there. Which value is shown by Kajal? Which value is shown by Kajal? See, Kajal is a girl, no? She is a very kind-hearted girl, She is very caring and very kindful. She is very caring. So the value which Kajal is showing is caring and kindness. The value which Kajal is showing here is caring and kindness. She is very kind to the pet animal. It's her pet animal. The cat is a pet animal. She is very kind to it. Okay. So this is your answer. So we have completed this today. Short answer question D. We have completed it. Okay. Next day we will be doing the long answer question. We will be starting the long answer question. So before leaving, I will just recap what we have done today. We have done the short answer question from the exercise of chapter 1. Question number 1 we have done. Why do we need food? Okay, this is we need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Food gives us energy to work and play. Number 2 we have done. How does a frog eat insects? A frog has a long and sticky tongue. It catches the insects with its tongue and swallow them whole. Okay, then we have done number 3A. Name one animal that laps up liquid food other than cat. So answer is an animal that laps up liquid food other than cat is dog. So okay, thank you for the class. See you again in the next day. We will be doing the long answer question from the exercise of the same chapter, chapter 1. So till then, bye everyone.